Hey guys, it's me, and today I'm doing a Darcy makeup tutorial, even though you already read the title and know what this is. But let's get started. Okay, so honestly this makeup look is really simple because she's not wearing much makeup, but I'm doing it anyways. But first things first, I'm gonna put in some brown contacts. Okay, so these contacts are actually bigger than my actual iris, I think. I think they're called circle lenses, but I'm not exactly sure what they're called. But anyways, I just want to say, because I've never addressed this in my videos, I will not be telling you how to put in contacts or whatever. Just for the fact that I don't think I'm probably doing it right, and I don't want to tell you to do it wrong. So there are tons and tons of videos on YouTube on how to put them in. Some people use colored contacts so it's easier to see. Just look at those, make sure you're careful with them, always wash your hands, and have clean hands before you touch your contacts and put them in your eye. Change the solution all the time. Just be careful, because these could hurt your eyes, you know? Now I'm gonna be priming my face. Also, shout out to my mom for curling my hair, because even though I'm 18, I can barely put my hair in a ponytail. So, yeah. But, thanks, Mom. Okay, so now I'm gonna be putting on concealer. This concealer is not my shade. I got it before quarantine, and then I ordered another one when I was still slightly this color, but before quarantine I was not this pale. I don't leave my house anymore. I never really left my house before, but now I really don't leave my house, so this is too dark for me, but it is great at covering stuff up. So I'm gonna put it on, blend it in, and then put on foundation that actually matches my skin tone. I always put it on my nose and cheeks just because they're so red, and it's hard for my foundation to cover it all the way, so it just helps with that. Okay, so my old beauty blender actually, there was probably something on it, it was making my skin burn, so I've been using this brush. It's just a flat brush like this, so blend it all in. See the difference in shades? I get my skin is really red, but it's also very white. The complete and total difference in the shade of color. It's not that bad, but still, it's not that good. Okay, so now my face is not the same shade in multiple areas, I'm going to be putting on foundation. Okay, so again, since my beauty blender broke, I'm using this. It's a flat, thick brush. I don't really know what it's actually for. Maybe it's for foundation, I don't know. So I'm just squeezing some on top. And I have another one of these, I'm just trying to get all of it out so I don't waste any. And then just stipple it on your face, like that. In just, a good amount of your face. And then just blend it in once you're done with that. Okay, so now I'm going to set my face with this setting powder. Oh, also, I forgot to say, everything that I'll be using is going to be in the description down below, except the brushes, because I don't have time to look up all that. So, but I'm just oversetting my face because I like doing that, and this foundation basically just falls off whenever I do anything to it, so if I overset it, it helps a bunch. And then, also, if I get water on it, if I'm drinking water and I spill some on my face and I do this, all of my foundation falls off for some reason. I don't know why. Make sure you set wherever you put your foundation, because I put it on my ears and down my neck to make sure that everything's the exact same color. So okay, so that's basically just my normal. Every time I get into cosplay or do my makeup, I just start with that. That's my normal base. But now I'm going to be contouring. So this is where you're going to need to use reference pictures. And no, not everyone has the same shaped face as me. So you're going to need to look and see where you need to put your stuff, because to try to match her face as, can I English? As good as possible. So she does have some cheekbones. I don't have like any. So I'm just making them a little bit deeper. Oh, also I'm going in with this almost gone one. So yeah, and this is the palette. It's called e.l.f. Glow Up Face Palette. I don't think I was able to find it last time, so that's why I'm telling you, but just any type of contour work. This is not good. It's not good contour at all, so don't use this. Buy something better. Oh, also I forgot, I'm using this brush. It's, I don't know, it says contour on it. This is like an actual rock, like a nice one. I got it for my birthday, so. Okay, now I'm gonna do my jawline just because I have a double chin and like that needs to go away, so. Also, I really like just defining my jawline even if I don't have a double chin, just because I like how it looks. Okay, I know that my hat is most likely going to be covering most of this, but I do like sinking in my temples. This is just a preference thing. I don't know, I like how it looks. Maybe I want to be a skeleton, no one knows. But since I am going to be wearing a hat, I'm not going to worry about my forehead. Ow. I'm not going to worry about my forehead at all. I'm just going to leave it. So I always contour my nose using this brush. I think it's a pencil brush, but I honestly don't really know. So I'm just going in with that same color. And so she has a really round tip of her nose, so I'm going around it in a circle first. You really want to make sure that this is defined, like, a lot. Okay, I can't remember specifically what I did for this part of my nose, so I'm gonna look and see what I did. So I'm just going to go up my nose, just following the edge. It doesn't need to be like really thin or anything, but me and her have a similar width right here. And I'm going under my eyebrows just to connect it and make it look better, and also deepen this up just a little. I don't know, I've been really liking how that looks lately. And I'm also just gonna go right here. Then she also does have bigger, why is my lip doing this? But she has bigger lips than me, so I'm just gonna go right here. And that just creates a small shadow. But it just creates a small shadow to make your bottom lip appear bigger. Okay, so I'm just going to be taking this brush and blending it like crazy. And I do have a different beauty blender that I'm going to be using just to blend it out the rest, because this stuff isn't very good and it doesn't blend out well. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking this damp beauty blender and just blending in all of this. I'm just going very carefully around the edges because water tends to make my makeup melt off, so I just want it barely. Okay, so I'm just taking some more setting powder just because it always kind of melts my makeup off, and just going over the areas where I did it just so that way it blends out better. Okay, so I'm going to take this fluffy brush, I don't know what it's called, and I'm going into that same palette again. And I'm going to take this like pink color. It is pink, it's not like pink, but I'm taking this and literally tapping so much off, blowing on it, because she does have red in her cheeks. So I'm just literally going like so light. I know I'm probably gonna have to set over this again, but okay, this is what I like. This is what I don't like, because it is extremely like over pink, so I'm just gonna go over it with setting powder again just to like tone that down a lot. I'm just going over this one with what I have left on my brush, just so that way they're even. Okay, so now I'm going to prime my eyes. Oh, I don't know if I already said this, but everything I'm going to be using will be in the description. I don't remember if I said it or not, so I'm just taking that little bit and putting some on this eye and this eye, and then just blending it around. And then if I have any extra, I go under my eye, because I tend to put eyeshadow down there too. Okay, so I always like to do that right before I do my highlighter, just to give it a minute to dry off. I don't know if it needs to dry off, but I do that. This is a Too Faced highlighter, and I can't open it. Okay, so I'm just taking some on my pinky because I don't know how else to put it on, and I'm going straight on my nose, and then I'm gonna leave this little gap here for a shadow, and then make like a circle to make that appear more round. And then I'm also gonna take it back on my pinky again and just go over my cheekbones. And I'm also just gonna take some and do it right here, just because her lips are bigger than mine, and that will make it appear that my lips are bigger. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this giant I can't even hold things. I'm taking this fluffy brush and this eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with Dust Cloud first, just to like make a base. Okay, I'm also going under my eye just with the same brush, just to lighten it and make it a base down there too. Okay, so now I'm taking this light brown, it's called Sophie, and I am tapping some off because she literally has like barely any eyeshadow on, and I'm just going right in the outer, I think this is the outer corner, I don't know, but right there, and just tapping it on, and then I'm blending it into my crease. See, there isn't much difference, but there's still a little bit of difference in between my eyes. So I'm going to do that with the other eye now. Okay, so I'm taking this super small brush, and I'm going in with the same color and basically just lining not my waterline, like right under my eyelashes. And see, it just like, it adds the tiniest bit of darkness just to this eye, and actually in a picture that I looked at, it kind of looks like she has brown eyeshadow right there. I can't really tell though, so I was just talking into my camera for like at least 45 seconds, and my camera wasn't even on my phone, whatever. But anyways, I'm taking this eyeliner because it looks pretty similar to the one that she's not currently wearing, she's not wearing, I don't know what she's wearing, but what she looks like she's wearing in the show. So I'm just going to be lining my, not my waterline, my top lid, and I think she has wink, but I'm not doing that because I don't have enough skill for that. I could probably try and mess it up, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to line my top eye, and I'm not going to do that on camera because I need like stability and somewhere to sit. I'm literally sitting in a chair with nothing around me, so. Okay, so this eye looks pretty good. Not the best, it's a little bit shaky, but this one looks horrible because I messed up the edge of it. So I'm actually going to be taking this small brush again, cleaning it off because I don't want anything on there, and taking Dust Cloud and going right over the part that went up too high, just to kind of soften it a little bit. It's not as bad, I think. I don't know. Okay, so I have very thick, bushy, overgrown eyebrows, and her eyebrows are not nearly as thick as mine. They taper out towards the end. So I'm just going to fill them in, but thinner. And when you fill them in thinner, the hairs that are overgrown tend to kind of disappear. Not like if you were to actually pluck them. Doesn't look as bad. No, it looks pretty bad. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know why that looks so bad. It never really does. It doesn't look that bad though. So I'm gonna do this eyebrow now. It probably won't even be that bad because I am going to be wearing a hat, so it'll probably be covering my eyebrows, and also I have glasses, so yeah, that covers them a lot and it makes it look better. I know I'm not really gonna see my eyebrows, but I'm just taking some highlight and going over it and under it. I don't know why, I just kind of like it, and it makes my eyebrows stick out more. Okay, so now her red lipstick that she always wears. So I'm taking this old one. I don't even know how to pronounce that, but there it is. And last time I did this, I put on like 5 or 6 lipsticks and it just kept staining my lips. So I don't know what I did. Okay, I kind of hate this color, so I'm just gonna like tap it off a little. Oh, I'm just making it worse. Okay, so this might be the lipstick I used last time. I don't remember. Also, I won't be able to link this. I can never find this lipstick. Yeah, that looks better. I like that color more. I totally forgot to do things. I forgot about mascara and my waterline eyeliner. So I'm taking this white and just going along my... Okay, now I'm gonna curl my top lashes. And then I'm gonna take this mascara, and it has a little light and it's really cool. Oh, that's really cool. It flicks on my face, but whatever. And then I'm just... Okay, so I'm taking this mascara. It's very, very old and dried out. And just doing my bottom lashes. I don't like the other one for my bottom lashes just for the fact that after a while it literally just goes right on my face. For my top lashes it's fine, but for the bottom ones it tends to start going on my face after a couple hours. Okay, now I'm taking this concealer and it matches my shade more than my other concealer, that's why I'm using it. And I think this is expired, so yeah. But I'm taking this brush. It literally doesn't even have like much form to it because the bristles there's so few bristles, and I'm tapping it into the thing. I'm taking it and wiping it off because I literally want the smallest bit, and I'm covering where I got the extra lipstick. I just did that basically, like it wasn't bothering me that much, but if I wouldn't have fixed it, I would have been mad at myself and would have hated every single video I made. So now my makeup's done and I'm going to get dressed now. Okay, so now for the finishing touch. Glasses. It really just sells it. Like, I feel like when I put on the glasses, it literally changes my face shape so much. And it's not even like there's like, anything in here, it's empty. So like it's not like actually changing the shape of my eyes, it's just the glasses make it look so much more believable, and that looks dumb because yeah. So I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was entertaining, at least if you didn't learn anything from it. All of the I keep forgetting what I'm gonna say. Everything will be, that was no words. Everything that I've used will be in the description down below, except for my clothes and my glasses and a couple of things that I can't find. But basically everything else will be down in the description below. My TikTok and Instagram will be linked down there too. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!